My arm is hurting already. I picked up another jar of the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel, and I'm going to do wash and go. I just washed my hair, and it dried up pretty fast. This is like with no product in it. So what I'm just going to use is, of course, the Eco Styler Gel. I have my spray bottle. I'm going to use the Pantene Gold Series Hydrating Buttercream, and then to detangle my hair, I'm going to use the Pantene Gold Series the Detangling Milk, and this is also a leave-in. I can't find any of my combs. I know I'm going to try to focus on finger combing and doing the shingling method. I'm going to use this brush. It's not a denim brush, but I'm probably saying that name wrong. I'm going to use this brush to comb it out, and then I'm going to do some finger combing and stuff. I'm just trying to get the most definition as possible. So if you want to see, you know, the process, then just keep on watching, and let's get to it. So like I said, I have my hair like in this bun. It's getting attached to my backdrop. So it's still kind of damp. So like this is literally like my hair washed, no product in it. So let's get started. I really love the Pantene Gold Series collection. It really makes my hair like really soft and manageable. And then this stuff right here, if you have a hard time detangling your hair, pick this up. It's like, I don't know, it really detangles. So I can't find my wide tooth comb. I have two. I have one that I keep in my room, and then I have one that I keep in the bathroom. I don't feel like going to get it, but I'm just gonna use my finger to part my hair into sections. I'm gonna work on this side first, and I'm just gonna divide this into two sections and then do like subsections to shingle it. I'm gonna use this tea tree oil. This was actually given to me, and I never used it before, but I'm gonna use this on my scalp. I'm just gonna like, I haven't oiled my scalp in a long time. Like I said, I've been really neglecting my hair. I'm gonna use my spray bottle to re-wet the hair. I'm gonna take my detangling milk. I'm gonna use about that much. And I like to start it at the ends and do a little finger combing. You see how easy it is to go through your hair once you have that product in? I'm going to apply a little bit of the buttercream, just a little bit. And I just want to focus this at the base, like my roots area. I'm going to use this brush comb. Now that I have that, I'm going to divide this section into two. So I'm going to really soak this area, this first section. It was just spraying.
2 hours later.
So I'm gonna soak this area a decent amount first. I'm gonna start at my roots and just add little by little. So I'm just gonna finger comb, and then I'm gonna go little by little and just start smoothing it with my hands. So I have that section done. Hopefully it doesn't get frizzy. My arm is hurting already.
So since I didn't have like really any combs with me in my possession, I just went ahead and put a little bit of gel on my edges and smooth it out the best that I can with my hands. And that is like the finished look. The hair is still wet. So I went ahead and took out my blow dryer and I used the diffuser, but I only focused it on my roots because I didn't want it to get frizzy, but I did want to speed up the drying time.
Alright, you guys, so my hair is about maybe 60-70-ish% dry. I only focus the diffuser like onto my roots, and I'll just upload pictures and stuff when it's dry. because I'm like really tired. I just want to relax my back and my arms. So I'll update you guys with pictures. Maybe I'll take some. I'll record tomorrow. I'm gonna record tomorrow.
So this is the finished product. This is the second day, and then I wrapped my hair like in a pineapple and had my bonnet on, and this is it straight out the bonnet. So this hairstyle lasted about 5 days before I washed my hair. So I think that was like the most definition I've had ever in any braid out or wash and go.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, share this video, comment down below, let me know what you think, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.